working? Yeah? Okay. It does not want to stay up. There we go. There we go. What is up, darlings? And welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. It is like 90-something degrees here in Colorado, and I am loving it because I hate snow. So this is my prime time. I'd rather be out here when I'm hot than when I'm cold. 100% find the hatch door that came off of this Nova, sand it, paint it, or not paint it, sand it, prime it, and get it ready for paint. That is the goal that we're tackling today. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, I think my little helper is not wanting to help today. So unfortunately, it's me, myself, and I. That's never stopped me before though. So here we go. Let's take off and do something great. I mean, anything I get done on this is great. So tomorrow is Saturday and I get to head to Bandimere. It's the Mile High Nationals. There's so many big names in the game that are gonna be there. I'm so freaking pumped. But today we're gonna get something done because YouTube's algorithm decided that I deserve a little bit more. And you guys have been joining me left and right lately, and I'm just so freaking pumped because this is right when things are starting to get good. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do that because you guys have no idea how much that helps me. Not YouTube wise because I'm not even monetized yet, but it helps my heart and my soul. It helps me feel like this isn't all for nothing, you know? Even though I know it's not, I got goals and dreams, but you guys rock. So, subscribe, beep, like, beep, all of that jazz. I appreciate it, I really do. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for spending your time with me. I wouldn't want to spend my time with anybody else but you guys. I forgot how heavy this hatch door actually is, so after a failed attempt with the two-wheeler, luckily I had another little helper / big helper. He's 15, but he's huge. That didn't work out as planned, but we still got it thanks to my nephew Diesel, who came out at the perfect time to help me. So now we will tape her off, sand her down. Alright, just looked at Riley's and I think it's a good day to get something done. We got the tape, the sandpaper, the red balls. I think we are ready to roll. Okay, technically I would usually wear a mask of some sort when sanding and priming and filling and all that stuff. But it's outside now. It's not like in the shop, like in a confined area. There's tons of airflow out there. And yeah, it's just too hot for a mask. So, I'm not gonna wear a mask this time, but I do know the dangers, you guys, and I am fully aware. It's pretty breezy outside right now. So, I mean, I'm not using my electric sander. I am going to be just using my hands. So, taking painter's tape and just going around the chrome around the window just to ensure that that does not get any paint on it. I'm also going to end up taking garbage bags, which, I mean, I do have huge plastic sheets, but I like to use those for bigger things, so these work just fine. Like, it's unbelievably hot, like super hot. Okay, so I took a break real quick to come tell you guys this little thought that I had. I just wanted to thank each and every single one of you who are subscribed to me right now. I've gotten so many messages about how I should be proud, and you know, I kind of just take it with a grain of salt, but lately I've been realizing this is such an organic channel, as in the fact of, I mean, I don't even know what organic really means. Can't afford organic nowadays, you know what I mean? With so many kids, it's freaking crazy. I just had this thought that this is such an organic channel, as in the fact of every single one of my subscribers, like, I have, like, really worked for and, like, in a sense earned. I have really worked really hard, not only in the channel, but promoting myself and trying to get this channel to take off. Like, it's been years. I have, what, 76 videos. Like, I have been pushing non-stop to try to get this channel to take off. And I mean, even right now I'm not monetized, but gosh dang it, I am so freaking close. I am closer than I have ever been in life to being monetized right now at this moment. So I cannot thank you guys enough for not skipping through the video, for letting it play through for its entirety, for the likes, the comments, the everything. I cannot thank you guys enough. When things get real hot, I tend to find myself underneath this umbrella. When it gets hot, I get hot. I don't know. I get to the point of where I'm like, God damn, what am I doing out here? What am I doing out here? This has sat outside for a while, and it does have some rust buildup. So this first layer is just straight rust. I'm just going slow and just getting it off. My sprinklers just turned on. Oh my goodness, those are some old snap-ons, eh? After editing this video, I had to go back and straighten that one. Oh my goodness. Hats. Her with that drill. Ooh. Ooh, and she's ready to jump something. Just look at her. What hotties. I enjoy stuff like that. But now that we all got a little wet, geez, that didn't work out too well. Sandpaper got soaked. 'Tis my life. But we'll just pull it out and let it dry out. That's all we can do. The rust has no end. This stuff just keeps coming and coming. We gotta get rid of more of this and that and over here and yep, over there. Yep, geez, there's a lot, man. Oh, wow. It's just the gift that keeps giving, you know? So I'm pretty much just taking it down to bare metal at this point. That is the destination, bare metal. It has increasingly gotten hotter as the days moved on. But my tiny helper has arrived. What do you know? It was like smoking hot out there, and whew, this hatch door became like 10,000 degrees. Like, it was like burning my hand through the sandpaper. So I decided, oh, we just need to get back in the shop. I do have my garage doors all open and the windows, so there is ventilation. I pretty much got all the rust off. I'm literally just trying to get the last bit. I'm using the shop vac to try and suck up all the dust before it goes into my lots. Oh, I gotta turn off the music every time I want to talk. So, today has been a day of progress. I am exhausted, but there is still more to do. So, we carry on. That's what we always do, we carry on. I have gotten this bad boy down to almost bare metal. Whew. And that is without a sander. So, these are the sanders. Looks pretty good, right? Wrong. Well, right, but wrong also. There's a few pits that I found that I cannot let slide. You can't see that one, or maybe you can, but ooh, no. So, out comes the Bondo, and we're gonna fix it because that drives me absolutely bonkers. And I already did the whole rest of the car, so I am going to spend my Friday night Bondoing and then primering this freaking hatch. Where is my Bondo? It's over here. There we go. We'll go with this one. Stop it. Yeah, this'll do it. We good. Just gotta squish it. I mix the filler up real good, get myself out a little pile. I squish up the hardener because that's always important. And then I was always taught to lay a bead over the top that runs about 2/3 the length of your pile. It's always worked for me, and it usually gives me just enough time to get it laid out before it starts hardening. Give this cameraman a raise, right? Well, I don't get paid for none of this. I just have to go fast enough before this all hardens, so I can't really be focused on camera angles. So, yeah. You're welcome. It has been a long day, but I got the Bondo done on the spots that I found. While I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna do something that I absolutely love to do, and that is go night fishing with my kiddos. So, we are gonna load up and roll out. There's your line way out there, little glowing dot. Catch anything yet? No, we haven't caught none yet, but we got hope, right? So far out there. Light up bobber. Pretty cool. I don't know. Let's see it. Yeah, I bug sprayed. There's a lot of bugs. Where did all the fish go? The other day they were biting like crazy. You're good. Go for it. There you go, dude. There you go. It is way out there. I think that should be good. So what did you think about the cruise?
Good. I liked it a lot.
Yeah, you think the L's running pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, what else did you say?
Then again, I'll tell you 4 things that I really like about the L community.
Yeah. Well, what are the 4 things?
Well, the first thing is I really like to think there was someone driving in this car at one point, like in the 1960s or before that.
71.
71.
Yep. 1971. There was somebody driving this car right off the lot. Pretty crazy. Awesome. All right, Mom's got to finish her hatch. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock at night, and I bit off way more than I could chew today. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call it a night. Just sanded down the Bondo that I got on here, but I just don't have time to start primering tonight. So I'm just going to work with what I got here and get you guys out a video. You know, tomorrow I'll get back out here and, actually not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'll be at Bandamere. As soon as I freaking possibly can, I'll get back out here and finish this. You guys know I'm good for it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you around soon. Are you ready to go? I am. Let's go. In my next video, we're heading to Bandamere for the Mile High Nationals. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.